Once they're on the parchment paper and the patterns are cut, we're gonna transfer onto a cookie sheet. Those cookie sheets are what you call a half tray. You can pick them up at a Sam's Club or a restaurant store. And once on the tray, they will then be transferred to the oven. All right, it's now time to place them in the oven.
Okay, so when you go to bake them, you have to take into account what kind of oven that you have and how your oven bakes. You may or may not know this already, so you might be trial and erroring it for a while. We have a convection oven, and our convection oven actually comes with a bake on multi-racks. So that is how we do it. We've also discovered that doing the bottom and the top and leaving the middle one empty gives us a really even bake time. We actually bake ours for 19 minutes on 350 on the convection multi-bake. I know that the recipe calls for 14 minutes on a standard oven. That does not work for us, but you might find that it works for you. It also depends on how thick or thin you roll your pieces. If you go to make gingerbread boys and girls, you might want to make them a little bit thinner than you would a piece that goes on a house. And if you do that, you might actually bake those sheets for the gingerbread boys and girls for as little as 8 to 11 minutes. Again, it's trial and error, paying attention to your oven, paying attention to the baking of the pieces as you do it will help you to decide what you're going to want to do.